Now that you've made the flexible wood part or the sample, we need to be able to transfer this to the laser cutter. In order to do so, you need to put it in a drawing. So I'm going to go down to the part studio I was working in and two-finger click to bring up a menu. In the menu, you can see that there is Create Drawing of Part Studio 2, which is the one I'm using. So I'm going to click on that. That will bring up this menu. We can make drawings that would go to different shops if we were making this at a different facility and they needed to read the plans or what have you. But today we don't want to see any of the title blocks that would be associated with that. So we're going to go to a custom template. We don't want to have a border. We don't want to have a title block. So it's basically just going to be a blank page allowing us to send this to a laser cutter. All right. And we click OK. And wait for a moment. All right, there we are. Now, we want it to be a one-to-one relationship. So whatever we made for in the drawing for dimensions is going to translate over to this drawing here. And then you want to choose the plane in which you drew your first sketch. There I have it. I had it on the top plane. I can see my flexible wood there, and I'm going to click to place it on the sheet. All right, it would allow me to do other views. I don't need to do that, so I'm going to press Escape on my keyboard to get out of that tool. And at this point, I am going to again go down to my tabs at the bottom, hover over the drawing, two-finger click, and say Export. Now, I believe we can export it as either a DXF or PDF. Without me being at the school to double check this, I am going to say let's do it as a PDF. We may have to change that, so make sure that you have this file shared with me. I would like you to name the file your last name, so Shannon Flexible Wood, and let's go with a letter designation A, B, C, D, because we were doing number designations for Adobe Illustrator. It'll allow us to keep things a little bit more organized in my file structures. So Flexible Wood A, and I export that, and then you can save that exported file into your OneNote, and then you are set to go.